In 2025, corporations poured billions into generative AI, expecting instant operational magic. The reality looked a lot more like a server fire. Volkswagen attempted a massive, all-at-once software modernization. By treating AI as a monolithic replacement rather than an iterative tool, they racked up a $7.5 billion operating loss. Taco Bell deployed an AI to run their drive-thrus. It completely collapsed when a single customer ordered 18,000 cups of water. And at Replit, an autonomous agent given write access without human guardrails wiped an entire production database. These companies didn't fail because the underlying technology was broken. They failed because they treated AI as a plug-and-play magic bullet instead of integrating it carefully into their actual workflows. This chart illustrates the productivity paradox of 2025. You can see record-high corporate spending on AI, but right on top of it, an 80% failure rate for initiatives trying to reach production or generate positive cash flow. Companies built what amounts to automation theater. They designed systems optimized only to deflect customers away from human agents, rather than actually solving the customer's problems. Layering AI over a broken business process does not fix the process, it simply scales the dysfunction. By 2026, successful enterprises recognize this flaw. They abandoned basic chatbots and started engineering what are known as agentic workflows. Agentic workflows are autonomous systems that go beyond reciting answers from an FAQ page. They actually execute multi-step tasks from start to finish. Look at Medtronic. They replaced rigid phone menus with conversational AI capable of understanding a caller's request. Because it routed calls accurately, Medtronic reduced misrouted calls by 55%, freed 36,000 agent hours, and saved $6 million. The system succeeded because it was wired directly into Medtronic's backend, giving the AI the authority and the means to take measurable action. We see this exact dynamic playing out in healthcare, where data security requirements and operational complexities leave absolutely no room for error. OSF Healthcare deployed an AI assistant named Claire specifically to handle complex patient intakes. This data flow shows Claire's exact process. It takes the patient's symptoms, cross-references the electronic health records database, and moves directly to booking the appointment. That end-to-end execution generated $1.2 million in cost avoidance, while driving $1.2 million in new revenue. In a high-stakes environment, an AI must operate as an active participant in the workflow. Passive information filters simply do not drive these kinds of returns. A successful agentic workflow relies on three pillars. First, AI connects directly to CRM and ERP databases. Second, measure first contact resolution instead of deflection rates. Third, seamlessly pass the entire conversation history to a human agent during handoffs. Deep integration, outcome-based metrics, and smooth human handoffs are the exact features that separate a broken chatbot from a highly functional digital employee. The divide between companies stuck in deflection theater and those running agentic workflows is now measurable in millions of dollars of reclaimed capacity and revenue. In 2026, leading organizations build agentic systems as foundational infrastructure, treating them as essential to daily operations as the databases they connect to. Generating real return on investment requires marrying machine intelligence with human oversight and rebuilding how work flows through your organization from the ground up. You can either become a 2025 cautionary tale, or you can achieve the multi-million-dollar returns of today's industry leaders. The difference comes down entirely to how you engineer your workflows. Crisen is the specialized partner designed to help you navigate this transition and build those enterprise-grade agenting workflows. We overhaul customer support, automate complex data intake, and build the seamless AI to human handoff protocols that protect your brand and your customers. Do not let your company's AI initiatives become mere automation theater. Reach out to Crisen via the link in the description to start building infrastructure and workflows that actually drive results.